warning for southwestern Switzerland County in southeastern Indiana, central Carroll County, until 3:15 p.m. At 1:09 p.m., local law enforcement reported that thunderstorms that have produced heavy rainfall have led to a mudslide near Carrollton. The mudslide has closed State Route 56 from Green Valley Road to Spring Branch Road. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Carrollton, Vevey, Brooksburg, Ghent, Prestonville, Interstate 71 at State Route 227 and Braytown. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. You're listening to NOAA Weather.